I'll guide you through how to create new project in ClickUp. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by opening your browser and going to ClickUp.com. If you don't have an account yet, click Sign Up in the top right corner, enter your email, and follow the setup steps until you reach your main workspace. If you already have an account, simply click Login and log in with your credentials. Once you're inside your ClickUp workspace, look to the left-hand sidebar and click the plus icon next to this Spaces section. A pop-up window will appear. This is where you'll begin setting up your new project. Enter a name for your space. This will serve as your project container. You can also add a description to clarify its purpose and choose whether you want the project to be private or shared with your team. Next, select your workflow setup. If you're new to ClickUp, choose the Starter option. You can also select a pre-built template or customize task statuses and views. Once everything looks good, click Create Space. Your new project is now ready to go.